So one of the accessories for the RETIGO oven is the smoker, which is a great bit of kit because you can literally smoke loads of different things: meat, fish, cheeses, butters, loads of different things. So basically we've just filled it up with the smoking chips cover. We're just going to close that now. We're going to insert that into the oven. Thank you. Just going to lay that there on the lower shelf. We're just going to bring the cable up here. So as we close the oven door, because of the rubber seal around the door frame and this heat resistant thing, it doesn't release any smoke. So now we've got it setting. We've got the smoker set up here, so we push the button here on the smoke. That allows us on how much smoke we want, 1, 2 or 3, and then we press play to go. But what we're going to do first is we're going to go over into our extras button, which is where we've got loads of different extra features, and you'll see the one there that says smoking. So we push that one, and we're going to be doing a camembert today. So with that, we're going to go for cold smoked cheese. So we push that button there, and it's telling us here what we need to do. So insert smoker on a light smoke. So we're on a higher smoke now, so we change that down there to the light smoke. It's going to be in there for 50 minutes at 30 degrees temperature with 60% fan and an intermittent fan, so it goes on and off, on and off. And now that oven starts working, we're going to push play on our button there, and then what that does, it heats up the elements within inside the smoker, burns the chips and creates a chamber full of smoke, which is then going to smoke our cheese. Okay. So whilst that's getting up, we're going to just prepare our, so one of the simplest things, nice bit of camembert. Just take it out of all of its wrappers, and we're going to, well, with the camembert it's really good because it's got a nice rind around it, so it holds all the cheese, because it's going to warm up slightly, but when we take this out it's going to be nice and golden with a smoky colour. And we're going to just put that on our tray now. I've used a perforated tray with holes to allow the smoke to get underneath. You can put it on a wire rack, you can put it on a flat tray, but wire racks or perforated trays are really good. So just going to leave that there, we'll clear up our rubbish, and then once we get a nice smoke in now, we'll then add the cheese. So our smoker's in, we've set the time, so now we've got the camembert ready. I'm just going to pop that in the oven. There we go. See all the amount of smoke that's created already. It's only been in there just for a minute, so there we go. Close that there now. Now in 50 minutes time we're going to have a beautiful smoked camembert cheese. You can smell that already, can't you? And you can see it. So once that's going, look, out of the oven's really turning all that smoke around, you can just see it, it's blasting around. So we'll leave that. I'm going to stick the fans on, get the rest of that smoke out. So Sonia, the timer's finished now. So now we've got a feeling, we're going to go back. Now we're back to our home screen, back there, and now we're back to our section. So for our next job we want to do, but let's just get this open now and let's see this lovely cheese. As you can see, obviously I'm touching it with my hands without a cloth because it was only 30 degrees. So the tray's warm, but look at that lovely smoked cheese. If we just lift that over, hopefully it don't stick. There we go, look. Nice smokiness all the way around. When that cuts, that's going to be beautiful. See that, nice and gooey. That's going to be really, really nice, that. See, with these now, you can get these all done up, chilled down and just left in the fridge, and you can serve these. Do your prep first and just serve them from the fridge. There we go. Beautiful. Let's go.